In front of me is ULEFONE Note 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on Allow in all available pop-ups. To start recording, click on this blue button at the bottom in the middle. Then hit Allow again. Tap on the same button one more time. And as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To end it and save it, click on the left one. Then name your recording however you wish to and choose OK. To access list of them, use this button with 3 lines located on the right when recorder is off. To play it, click on it. And to manage it, select Edit at the top right corner, click on your file and pick one of those options, like Delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!